How to do affiliate marketing to make money online step by step. What is up, guys? Malama here with another video on teaching you how to do affiliate marketing the right way, step by step. Even if you're a complete beginner, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and so that you never miss more amazing content from me, this channel. So this channel, my goal with this channel is to help you get started, grow and scale your business, to help you create financial freedom through passive income. So as I also share my journey and document my journey. And this channel I upload daily videos on how to make money online, how to make money $100 a day online, how to generate free traffic, how to grow your online business, how to build up your digital assets, how to grow your following, whether on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Click funnels and how to build funnels, sales funnels, how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow your email list, how to get started if complete beginner. So watch till the end to grab some of my best bonuses. Now, as always, I always like to show you guys some of the things that I'm really using marketing journey. So if you're new to this or if you're struggling with affiliate marketing, there is a really free course by some amazing six-figure affiliate gurus that are teaching you how to make money online with a platform called ClickFunnels that pays you 40% commission for bringing in sale. Now these guys take you through step by step on exactly how you can grow your 100-day affiliate product and system in 100 days. So exactly teach you how you can go from zero to a full-time affiliate in 100 days to turn this hobby into a full-time career that pays you handsomely to work in. So I'll leave in the link in the description on this video and to lead you to this page. And if you want to take this business to the next level, I'd highly encourage you guys also sign up for the 30 days one funnel away challenge, which costs only about $100. So once you click on this page, it's going to take you to a sign up page where you're going to enter your email address. Once you enter that email address, you click here to register. It's going to submit that, and all the trainings are going to be sent to your email list. As you can see, yeah, it goes from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and every day unlocks, and the link to where you can find these videos is into your email address. Now if you want to have also a physical copy so that you don't always have to go online to watch these videos, there's the affiliate bootcamp book which shows you on how you can build up your affiliate marketing business in 100 days. And what you want to do to even spice this up and take it to the next level, to speed up your game and learn a whole lot more, if you want to sign up for the 30 days one funnel away challenge. So after you sign up for the affiliate bootcamp, you can scroll all the way down on the next page, which is this page, and you can click on join the challenge right here. This training costs you about $100, and you get the affiliate bootcamp physical book shipped to you. You also get limited access to videos in the affiliate bootcamp, because these videos expire after 4 days and you no longer have access. If you want to have unlimited access to them, I would highly encourage you to sign up for 30 days challenge. Now what its 30 days does is it helps you on how to create your offer, how to put together your affiliate products together, how to monetize them, how to craft your offer, and also how to bring traffic to your landing pages, to your bridge pages, and to your services if you have services that you offer. Into affiliate marketing, this is also a very good place to start, because to help you on exactly what you need to do, how you need to craft everything, your titles, the images that you need, also some additional stuff to help you start making sales in the next 30 to 45 days with affiliate marketing or with your own very products. So as you come over to this page, you're going to read a whole lot of what you can get. You're going to get the MP3 recordings. You also get daily trainings on what you need to do day 1, day 2, up to day 80. So every day a new training comes in on exactly what you need to implement on that particular day. So this is going to help you speed up your results and learning curve. So I would highly recommend you guys click the link that is down in the description of this video and to send you to the affiliate bootcamp. After you sign up for the affiliate bootcamp by entering your email, it's going to bring you to this next page where you find these red buttons all over the place. You can choose whichever you want to use and just go ahead, and when you scroll down you read all that you're going to get and value. This is almost $3,200 in value and you get it for only $100. So when you come over here, you can get the digital version or you can get the physical product where you get all things. So for the physical product, this is where you get the MP3 player, the physical challenge book, 30 days hardcover book, 100 days to becoming a super affiliate ebook, and also unlimited access to affiliate bootcamp interviews. This is why they've interviewed some really high paid affiliates on how they would grow their business in 30 days. Also take you behind the scenes of super affiliate funnel walkthroughs, so as you look at some of the really high converting affiliate funnels. Thanks very much. Let's get into the video. So we're going to be looking at step by step on how exactly you can go ahead making money marketing depending on your niche. So what you want to do, the very first step, this is a easy walkthrough that I'm just going to take you. I'll do an in-depth video of over an hour long in the next coming days. The very first step that you need to do is you need to pick an industry. So let's say you want to focus on health and fitness. So once you select saying you want to focus on health, very next step is you can either make your own digital or info product, or you can promote somebody else and get paid. So from here, we're going to go to the next step to ClickBank, or we're going to get going to select one of the industries that would really help us. So since we are in health and fitness, we're going to go into health and fitness. We're going to look at some products. So some high converting products. Not going to follow the amount that's being paid, but we're going to look at some of the highly converting. So when you look at this product right here, this is one of the highly converting products on ClickBank. So this is a health product. It's Leptitox. You can go ahead and look at it and see what really you can come over here to the affiliates page, see the resources that you can use. So as you can see, this is the Leptitox nutrition. It's all about nutrition, diet, and hygiene, losing weight. So as you can come over here and take a look at this product. Once you have this product, all you have to do is click promote. It's going to come up with affiliate link. If you haven't signed up for ClickBank, it's free to sign up. Pays you 75. So all you have to do is enter your ClickBank here. Say maybe Face FB if you're gonna be promoting using, and it's going to come up with unique affiliate link. This is the affiliate link that you use. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Bitly and shorten this link so that it doesn't look all weird and stuff. So going to go to Bitly, it's a URL shortener so that you have the login URL. So all you have to do is come over here, click paste, and you can go ahead, say create. It's going to come up with new link. Say you can edit the last part or you can just use it like this. Next place is we're going to look for traffic source. Once we've selected the product or service, we're going to find traffic source. So maybe you want to use stuff such as Facebook. So Facebook groups is one of the places that you can use traffic. You can also go to Quora, another free place. This is a question answering platform that you can use. So once you're over here, you can easily answer questions relating to nutrition. Since we're in the health and fitness, you can search for nutrition. Search for nutrition. So I'm gonna get questions like this. So you want to sort out by questions right here on the left hand side. Can't find any questions, then we're gonna need to change. Maybe we're going to go to weight loss. We're going to go to weight loss. Can't find any. Good. So you can just go to all types and just look at these questions and answer some of them. So you can come over here and these are the questions people are answering. So you see this person has answered some really long question that you can provided value. Then what you want to do is, if you answer a question such as this, a long, really long, meaningful question, then you can add your affiliate link in the bottom somewhere to suggest people to go out and check your product. Once I head over to that page, it's gonna bring them to this page. Probably gonna see this. Gonna click. Gonna scroll down, check it out, and they're definitely going to click the link to they purchase this product. And the next place that you can go to, because if you can even write a post, this TikTok, search T Leptitox. Leptitox nutrition supplement. What is Leptitox? Is Leptitox supplement a scam? So all you have to do is just come over here, answer some questions, really valuable answers, and people are gonna read those questions. They are gonna to upvote them to click your link, and it's going to lead them to the purchase page. Once they purchase that, get paid $70 sale that, so as you earn a recurring income if you sign up for a membership. So that's one way to get started with marketing. Now that's just one way. There are other ways you can do. All you can do is have to repeat this other industries. I'm gonna go ahead and end my video right here, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.